Hey everyone, welcome to Fixsoft. In this video, you will learn how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11. We will start by installing Java, since it is required before setting up IntelliJ IDEA. After that, we will run our first Java program to make sure everything is working correctly. First, open any web browser. Go to your Search tab. Here type Oracle Java and press Enter. From the search results, open first website. I will also leave website link in description. This is official website of Java. Now click on Download Java. Now if you scroll a little, you will see both 21 and 25 versions listed. Make sure version 25 is selected. Here, select the Windows option. You will see different download links. Select the link which says 64-bit installer, and it will download the exe installer. Once the download finishes, right-click on the installer file and click Open. The setup window will appear. Click Next. This is the location where Java will get installed. Keep it as it is, click Next again, and wait for Java to install. After the installation is complete, click Close. Now, we need to set the Java path, so Windows can recognize Java. Open File Explorer. Go to your C drive. Here, open Program Files. Then go to Java. Now, open JDK folder. Now find this bin folder and open it. Now click on Address bar and copy this folder path. Next, open the Start menu and search for environment variables. Click Edit the System Environment Variables. Here, click Environment Variables. Now, under System Variables, find Path and double-click it. Click New and paste the copied Java bin path. Now, click OK on all windows and close them. Now, let's verify Java installation. Open the Start menu. Here, type cmd and open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type this command: Java ---- version. And press Enter. If the Java version appears, it means Java has been installed successfully. Now, let's install IntelliJ IDEA. Open your web browser again and go to your search bar. Here, type IntelliJ IDEA and press Enter. Open the official website. Here, click on the Download button. Now, select Windows here, and again, click on Download button. The installer file will start downloading. It's around 1 GB, so wait until it finishes. After the download finishes, right-click on the installer and click Open. The setup window will appear. Click Next. Keep the installation location as it is. Make sure you have at least 4 gigabytes of space available on your disk. Click Next. Select Create Desktop Shortcut, then click Next. Click Install and wait for the setup to finish. Once completed, click Finish. Double-click the IntelliJ IDEA desktop shortcut to open it. Skip the Import Settings screen. Go to Customize tab. You can customize the theme if you want, or keep the default settings. Click New Project. Enter a project name. After that, choose the location where you want to save it. IntelliJ IDEA will automatically detect the Java version you installed. Keep it selected and click Create. In the project panel, right-click on the source folder. Click New, then Java class. Enter a class name, for example Demo, and press Enter. A new file named demo.java will be created. Inside the file, write a simple print statement to display text on the screen. I just pasted a simple print statement. Everything I will add inside here. It will get printed. To run the program, right-click anywhere in the file and click Run Demo. You will see the output printed in the console at the bottom. That's it. You have successfully installed Java, installed IntelliJ IDEA, and run your first Java program on Windows 11.